My name's Todd Falk. I'm the marketing director here at KRB Machinery.
My name is Scott Hartman, and my role at KRB is product subject matter expert.
Shannon Lau. I weld and fabricate shear line modules all day.
KRB Machinery is an original equipment manufacturer, and we make equipment that cuts and bends rebar. I really like my job at KRB, and especially the position I'm in. I could be doing anything from print production to editing the website to doing a video.
KRB Machinery, we build automated equipment. We have equipment all over the world. A basic day here at KRB for me is basically anything dealing with engineering, service, also manufacturing, maybe even helping design. Sometimes I even have to program, and sometimes I even have to do some electrical drawings.
I grab parts all day, I weld them together, I fabricate. I think manufacturing is cool because it's a very hands-on job rather than sitting at a desk, and it's very important to industry and construction because they use it a lot.
What's so cool about KRB is being an original equipment manufacturer, I get to see raw steel turned into machinery that moves and actually creates other things. So I think that's one of the neatest things.
The camaraderie we have here with the core group that's been around for a long time, it's more like family than actually employees, and basically just seeing new products we're bringing out, keeping up with our competitors.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.